Hello viewers, today we will solve a problem based on the calculation of duty cycle of a chopper driven DC motor. So our question is, a DC motor is driven from a chopper with a source voltage of 24 volt DC and a frequency of 1 kHz. Determine the variation in duty cycle required to have a speed variation of 0 to 1 per unit, delivering a constant 2 per unit load. The motor details are as follows. The chopper is one quadrant and the no state drop voltage across the device is assumed to be 1 volt regardless of the current variation. So these specifications about the motors are given and we have to calculate the variation in duty cycle required when the speed variation is 0 to 1 per unit. So first we will see that what is the formula for the duty cycle in terms of torque. So duty cycle is equals to torque per unit value into R per unit value plus omega speed in per unit value divided by V per unit. It is the voltage source voltage per unit. So T per unit is given, that delivering a constant 2 per unit. We have given the R value, R actual value. We have to calculate R per unit, and omega per unit is given in the variation 0 to 1 per unit. We have to calculate V per unit. So first we will calculate R per unit. So R per unit value is equals to R actual value divided by Z base. So what is Z base? Z base is equals to V base divided by I base. Now V base is given as the 10 volt rating of the transformer, but IB is not given. So we will calculate first IB, then R per unit. So what is from where we have to calculate IB? Here the output of the motor is given and rated voltage is given. So we can calculate the IB from here. So what is efficiency? The output power divided by input power. So efficiency is given as 78.5%. 8.5%. So output value is 1 HP. 1 HP in the watt is 746 watt. So divide by what is input power? V into I. So V is 10 volt into IB. So from here IB will be 746 into 100 divided by 785, 78.5 into 10. So on calculating this, IB will be 95 ampere. So IB will be 95 ampere. Now we have calculated the IB. Then what will be ZB? So ZB is equals to VB divided by IB. So 10 divided by 95 ampere. So ZB will be 0.105. 0.105. So now it is in ohm. So we can calculate the R per unit value. So R per unit value is equals to RA. R actual is given as 0.01. 0.01 and Z base is 0.105. So R per unit value will be is equals to 0.095 per unit. 0.095 per unit. So we have calculated our another value, and now we have to calculate V per unit. So V base is given and supply voltage given, but there is 1 volt drop across the devices. So we will minus it from this. So V per unit value will be equals to V actual or V source divided by V base. So what is the V actual value? 24 volt source voltage minus 1 the drop across the sources devices divided by V base is 10. So V per unit value will be 2.3 per unit. Now we have calculated all our values, so we can calculate the variation in D. So what will be D minimum? What will be D minimum? D minimum will be T per unit value is 2 into R per unit value is 0.095 plus omega per unit value is 0 and V per unit is 2.3 per unit. So D minimum will be, your D minimum will be 0.0826 in per unit. Now same we will calculate the D max value. D max value is equals to 2 into 0.095 plus 1 divided by 2.3. So D max will be equals to 0.517 per unit. So our variation in the duty cycle will be from 0.0826 to 0.517 per unit. So this is our complete answer. Thank you.